Okay, congratulations. You're just minutes away from getting tons of first page rankings and traffic with only a few clicks. Now, before you move on, we'd like to know if you want to be able to dominate way more niches, get way more cash, and turbocharge your first page ranking results. How? By tapping into the ultimate power of the First Page Ranker Pro upgrade. Now, don't get me wrong, First Page Ranker works great on its own. But if you're truly serious about taking your traffic, sales, leads, and profits to the next level, then you want to have as many tools in your arsenal as possible. The kind of tools that put the odds of success in your favor even more than normal. And when you add the power of these pro features, you're going to take your first page rankings and traffic into a whole nother stratosphere. Getting on the first page of Google and YouTube is prime and profitable digital real estate. And simply put, adding these pro features to First Page Ranker will put your business and sales into absolute overdrive. Here's what you're about to unlock in the next few minutes. The multi-spin event option, where you'll be able to create tons of variations of your video with only a click. Unlimited event creation, where you can create as many live streaming events as your heart desires. This way, there's no limitation on the amount of results you can get and as fast as you can get them. Get up to 20 events per day per channel, so you can grab more market share. The competition won't even know what hit them. Unlock unlimited channels, and by doing so, you can multiply your efforts across hundreds of niches. Dominate with thousands of keywords that continue to bring you all the delicious, profitable traffic you could ever desire. And when you add this to the 20 events per day per channel, you'll send your page 1 rankings and traffic into a profit explosion. Also, you'll unlock unlimited parallel streaming, where you can have multiple live streaming events happening across multiple channels at the same time. We're also including the advanced scheduling option, where you set the minimum and maximum time gap and random events are created during that set time. This is great to keep the competition off your trail. You'll also get access to a complete powerful video editor that lets you load your videos into First Page Ranker or any pre-recorded video and add a watermark for your branding. You can also add text, intros, outros, lower thirds, or even a logo. There's also the easy-to-use point-and-click image editor that lets you load images, make edits, and then turn them into videos. You'll also receive every future update of First Page Ranker. This way you'll never have to invest when we totally revamp the software and make it even better than it is now. Your upgrade today places you as a First Page Ranker VIP. And there's so much more, all of which you can see the details below this video. So are you ready to unlock the full power of First Page Ranker access? Great. Here's what you need to do next. Click the button below to add this to your order. Then you'll not only start snagging profitable first page rankings fast, but you'll have everything you need to grab way more market share than the competition could ever hope for. With that being said, don't delay on this offer. It's only for a limited time and the special pricing could be removed very soon. So go ahead and get access now. You won't be disappointed.